Mike, the nor'eastern we've been talking about all week, skimmed the coast there, I guess.
Yeah, but it did cause some pretty major problems right along the coast with snow almost to the Atlantic shoreline in places, which is pretty phenomenal for November. That storm is quickly moving off to the northeast now, and it will tend to weaken, but it still has a lot of wind, some rain and snow with it, and that will continue to move that way. High pressure from the Great Lakes into the Gulf Coast area will continue to dominate, and we will see some very nice weather actually, with warmer temperatures starting to come in on the back sides of these high pressure systems. You can see the next cold front is going to be stalling out across the northern plains. This is going to be the dividing line between some very cold air and actually some very warm air to the south of it. Storm system in the northeast continues to move away. This storm is going to be getting more powerful. There's going to be a lot of snowfall. Parts of the northern and central Rockies, even into the east of the Rockies into Montana and North Dakota as we head into the day on Friday. This is going to be a big snowmaker to the north across the northern plains as it continues to come east, and eventually it's going to be a big rainmaker as Gulf moisture gets involved and it comes farther to the east as we head into the weekend. Here's the precipitation estimate over the past 24 hours, and you can see most of it actually has been north of the border. Very little going on except right along the shore. You can see the storm system did actually skim the coast because inland didn't get a whole lot. Adding on the next 24 hours, we'll add some out west, although a lot of that's going to be in the form of snow. Let's take a look at that real quick. You can see very little over the past 24 hours, but we're going to start to snowfall parts of Montana, Idaho, even back into the mountains of Oregon and northern California. Temperatures very warm to the south of the front, 60s, 70s, and 80s, only 40s to the north, 40s also in New England, even some 30s for high temperatures up that way. Checking out low temperatures tonight, cold really through the northern tier of states, chilly into Dixie with some 40s, but 50s and 60s for the southern plains. There's the jet stream as we head into the weekend, a ridge over the Great Lakes in the northeast, so a 3 or 4 day warm up. Then that big trough continues to rumble across the country on into the early part of next week, kind of zonal as we head through the middle of next week. That's a look across the country. Now let's take a look at some local forecasts. For Pueblo, Colorado, today sunny and nice, high temperature up to 68 degrees. Little Rock, Arkansas, sunny skies also, high temperature around 62. And finally, Akron, Ohio, sunny and quite chilly, high temperature around 47.